everyone, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to start on the first stage of doing the summer sun collage pages, and we've already done videos. I've already done videos looking at the paper that I'm going to use and talking a little bit about the layouts that I'm going to do. So I take a picture of it. Also did one for the sea collage as well, which is very useful to do this. I don't think I did one for the nature collage, so this is a new habit I'm going to try and get into, because it's quite a good reference material as well before you start layering on all the other things like sprays and stamps and goodness knows what else. So this will give me a rough idea of how I wanted to plan out the page, but I will change things, and the finished result could look entirely different because it's a flow. You get into the flow of doing it and you move things around and things don't look right and so on and so forth. So it's only just a guide. So I will speed up that process and clip it, so there's just bits, you just get an overall idea of how I'm doing it. But following videos I'll look a bit more at the other process of adding in extra dimension, extra media as well, which I think is a bit that has been missing before. So I hope you enjoy it.